I'm cutting up garlic right now. I'm making some pasta.
It's good, big bowl, easy to cook, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, I think they park the one.
The same place?
The same place we parked last time, yesterday.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, you're right.
I think the van they moved. The one.
You think so?
Yes, I think so.
Stay here.
A lot.
Sure is. I didn't think I made that much.
I'm sure we can eat. By area to throw the trash.
Yeah.
For the water, right?
Yeah, got like
Never. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Have the pee-pee.
Harry, stop pulling.
I read the talk about have the bathroom why I want to go check. Wow, this is a big motorhome.
Yeah, sure is.
Yeah, you see? Woman, can you hold
Heather?
Yeah.
Heather, you stay here. Heather, stay. Harry?
We too old.
Is it?
Yeah, but it's okay. It's work. Have the bathroom here. The lock a little bit. This okay.
That's Mama.
Thank you.
Did you go, honey? Did they have tissue?
Yes,
Did they?
they have one tissue.
No.
Look at this house. Harry. Now we ready.
Harry,
We
come on.
Ready. Harry, come here. Boy. Go check on Hannah.
Hi, baby. Hi,
Hannah.
Look at her. You're trying to go up.
Hannah, Hannah.